Warm coffee and a cigarette. We will smoke the last one in my twin-size bed. This moment feels safe and sound, though we know the storm is coming to take us down. And I know it's just beginning, for I've seen this place before. No one told us it was easy or anything at all. If we need to say goodbye, I do. If staying here could save your life, I would. I will make you happy. There's nothing I won't do. So once and forever we close this door, the one that leads to heaven on the second floor. Stay with me till the morning comes, 'cause all I ever wanted was to show you the sun. If we need to say goodbye, I do. If staying here could save your life, I would. I will make you happy. There's nothing I won't do. So
Бакарди, танцы в моей кровати. Не говори мне хватит, снимай свою.
he once was a peach picker and he toiled in the sun. He reaped the orchard on his own until the day was done. His hands were hard and callous 'cause he didn't have a choice. He served so many non-believers till he heard the voice. Now he's our shepherd and we're his flock. Now he's our captain and our ship's about to dock.
Ханан келдігет. Простите, он ту прощай. Өтсікілен бұрамын кейраған деділер оның. Қабда қырдың бұратым. Oh no. Да untung. Ладненько. Во, я лох рано нам. Простите меня.